What's up, guys? Today's video I actually have a card trick for you instead of a card control. And this trick is done with the 4 jacks. These 4 jacks are avid partiers. One at a time, they get in the car to go off to a party. When they get there, the first guy gets out and he runs all the way to the back of the party where the campfire is to play his guitar and drink. The second guy gets out, he runs all the way over to the pool table because he likes playing pool. The third guy gets out the car and he runs upstairs because he's a video game player and he likes playing video games. The fourth guy, well, he's the designated driver, so he kind of stays near the front door. He sits down on the couch and he starts watching a movie. And they're all there and they're partying, they're having a great time, playing pool, drinking. Well, his movie goes over, the designated driver, he can't drink, so he gets upset and he's like, "Come on guys, it's time to go." And they all run all the way up to the front to get back in the car. Now this is a pretty neat trick. You can use any story you want with it. You could say that these 4 guys are coal miners and they take different caves or different tunnels in the coal mine. Or you could say they're bank robbers and they go in through the basement and the back door and the window upstairs. Any way that you do it, or any story that you use, doesn't much matter, because at the end of the story, the designated driver or the crane operator or whatever story you're using, well, he calls for them and they always come running right back to the top or to the car. So let's get into how this is done. This has got a little bit of a slight. It's a fun one. Basically, you have your 4 cards or your 4 jacks on top and you keep them there. If you want to shuffle, you just keep them on top. And then the trick starts. You say, we're going to use the 4 jacks. You turn them over on top of the deck like this. You spread them out, say we're using the 4 jacks. Now here's the sleight, or the trick. When you spread these out, you spread out the 3 cards underneath them as well. You don't call attention to that, of course. And you catch a break underneath those 3 cards with your pinky. This way, when you pick up the 4 jacks from the top of the pack, you're picking up the 4 jacks plus the 3 face down cards. And then when you go through the jacks one at a time, you're placing those jacks underneath those 3 cards. So now you have 3 indifferent cards on top of them. And then they get into the car. And now these 3 cards, when they go to the back of the party, you're not putting the jacks into the deck. The jacks are staying on top of the pack. But it looks like you are putting the jacks in. And then you've got your 1 jack that stays at the front of the party, or the top of the building, or whatever your storyline is. And then when he calls, they all come running back up to the top. And that's a really cool card trick. It looks really good. People are really impressed with it. It's an older school one. When I first learned it, they were bank robbers. One of them went in through the basement, one of them went in through the back door, and one of them went through an upstairs window. If you liked the video, drop a like, share it, come back for the next one.